country views. I know I've only uploaded a few videos here and there, but there's been a lot going on, you guys. We moved into a new place, which we're not done unpacking and stuff, but once we have everything together, I'll give you guys a tour of the place. But I am going to post a cooking video today for you guys. I'm going to show you what I have started here. It is my homemade famous Spanish rice that I showed you guys how to make in another video. This is almost done. Okay. Over here, I have a big pork pan going. Butter getting nice and warm and melty in there. Okay, once it gets to that temp, you want to turn it down to about 5. Now, over here, I have some nice thick pork chops with no bone. I have my different seasonings that I'm going to be seasoning them with. Now, I forgot to tell you guys what I'm making. That Spanish rice I'm making is going to be turned into Asian rice. And this is going to be turned into Asian pork chops, and they're going to go right on top. So let's get started. So we're going to come over here. Make sure you wash your hands before touching. Your hands will get dirty. Take your plastic completely off your chops. You want to get a good view of these chops, Cam? They're pretty nice looking chops. Let them see what I got going on there while I throw this away. So now they're about this thick. If you don't like them this thick, you can make them. You can get thinner ones or cut these down. Here I have paprika, dried cilantro, adobe, salt, seasoned salt, and pepper. Excuse me. Now, if you're not sure what adobe is, adobe has a little bit of everything in it. Garlic, onion powder, salt, celery salt, all kinds of stuff. I get it in a big thing like this. This is really good with Asian food. So now, basically, what I'm going to do is just start going like this, okay? All across the pork chops until it's completely gone. But now you want to save half for the other side as well. So make sure you save plenty for the other side. Now you want to do the same with your adobe. Now I got some fantastic news, guys, that I'm going to let you in on. If you didn't see, I posted a wedding video. Me and my fiance finally got married. Yay! So we finally tied the knot, guys. Alright, so now I'm doing my dried cilantro. Alright. Like I said, save half of everything for the other side. Now your dried cilantro looks like this. Alright. Now here, you gotta have paprika when you are making Asian Chinese food, okay? That makes your pork chops, chicken, whatever you decide to make, okay? And you just need a little bit of that, because your seasoned salt does have some paprika in it, okay? So now you're going to flip these over like so. Wait till you guys see what I do with this. You're going to be like, man, that looks good. Alright, so I got all these turned over, okay? Hold on a second. Let me check this butter. Alright, we're doing pretty good. I think I'm going to turn this on low here so the butter doesn't burn. Now, you come over here and you put the rest of your seasonings on the other side, okay? And you want to do it from up like this if you're sprinkling it on. Because if you do not and you go too close, you're going to get big clumps on your meat. And nobody likes too much of a flavor shot. All right, and then that can just be sprinkled what's left. Same with your adobe. Just up in the air like this. If you guys have cats, a hint, make sure you got somebody watching the cats because they... All right, guys, and then same with the cilantro. The rest of your dried cilantro, you're gonna put on the other side, okay? Same with your paprika. Actually, we could probably just sprinkle that over. All right, so now you're going to bring your chops over here to your stove, okay? And in this pan, I moved it to the back because I didn't want it to burn. But in this pan, we got some butter melted and it has turned into some brown butter. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. All right. Now, you're going to take your tongs and you're going to just put them all in here at a low speed. I have it about on 2 right now. I will turn it up maybe to about 4. But I did not want my butter to burn. You want to get a good view of me putting these in here, Cam? Ooh, I'm making a mess. Come on over here so they can see what's in the pot. You just kind of layer them up like if it's a crock pot or something, okay? So you put them all down in there like that, seasoned, okay? Now, you're going to come back over here. All right, I'm just going to put that in the sink for now. In here, we have lime juice. You can freshly squeeze a lime or get them in these. These are super easy. And soy sauce mixed. This you do need when you're making Chinese food. You're going to dump this in. It's about a tablespoon of each. All right. Then I got minced garlic. If you choose to chop it up yourself, that's fine. You can do that as well. I'm going to put about a tablespoon to a teaspoon. This is about a tablespoon on a teaspoon because it's heaping. All right. I'm going to get a good view of that. All right. Now, you're going to take your favorite kind of barbecue sauce. We like the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. And you're going to squeeze a bunch in here. Like so. All right. You want to give them a good view about how much. While I grab a bottle of water here. Now, you can use your sink water if you want. But we like to use bottled water. My favorite's Aquafina. You want to dump 1 whole bottle in here. All right. Like that. 1 whole bottle. And then you're going to take your tongs that you stacked them in with and kind of just give it a stir around so all the flavorings get together. All right, guys, like so. You want to did you get a good view of that, Cam? All right, good deal. I got my adopted son recording for me today. Now you want to take your lid, put it tightly on your pan, and turn your heat up to about 4.5, 5. I'm going to start it off at 5. To get my pan nice and hot again, and then I'm going to turn it down. So I'm going to let this go, and when it's ready to go with the rice, I'll show you how we're going to plate it up and taste test it. All right, guys, it is ready. Look how fabulous that sauce looks with them chops. They're going to be so tender. All right, it is time for plating. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna plate my adopted son some food. I'm gonna take the camera, let him taste test it. So we're gonna start with the rice. Here's the rice. This is how my Spanish rice came out. All right. Now, here's what you do. You take a little soy sauce after you've made your Spanish rice. Put a few dashes. Give it a good stir. Just a little mix around. Some people like a little egg and green onion in it. Preferably, I like it that way, but some people in my family do not, so we will leave it out. So you take a scoop of your rice, okay, guys? And just a little tip, if you guys have a pressure cooker, it makes the best rice. All right, so you take a scoop of your rice and kind of flatten it out a little bit, okay? Like this. Okay? Let me put this lid back on so it can keep steaming. My kitchen's a lot smaller than the one at our old house, but that's okay. Then you come over here, okay? And you take this pork chop. Look at all them juices. And you put it right on top of the rice. Okay? Then come with your little handy dandy ladle. Take some of this sauce. Dump it right over the chop in the rice. Like so. You see that, guys? Let's put the lid back on here. Then, over here, let's get a good view of this. I made it's kind of like a cabbage chopped salad. It's got little crunchies in it and different things. And my sauce is Italian dressing, soy sauce, and low salt and pepper. So you take some of this and you put your little scoop on the side like this. And that's how you plate it. Is that not pretty, guys? Totally pretty. So Cam, I'm going to set this right here for you to taste test. I'm going to take the camera.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm so ready for this. Alright.
Alright, I got you a knife and fork there.
Definitely trying this pork
Make
chop
sure
and
you
rice
try a
first.
bite of each so everybody knows what it tastes like.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Let's get me a little piece off of here.
Let me know how tender that pork chop is too, because it's been on the go on the stove for a little while. It might be hot.
Yeah, blow it up.
So there's the bite of the chop. Is it tender?
Oh yeah.
Flavorful?
Oh, it's delicious.
Okay, now try the rice and the chopped salad. Asian chopped salad is what I call it, guys. Here goes the rice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, good. Alright, now here goes the chopped salad, the Asian chopped salad. It goes wonderful with this dish. Yeah? Can I get a oh so yummy?
Oh, so yummy.
Awesome. Alright, I'm going to give you the camera back. Alright, guys. That is it for this video. Thank you for visiting Country Views. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also go to my Facebook page and my Instagram called Country Views. And also like and subscribe there. Once again, if there's anything you'd like to see me make, comment below. But have a wonderful day. We love you, friends and family. Bye.